Happy morning, everyone. Let's have some cruising here. Enjoy the ride. We're cruising, guys. Yeah. Just for fun. Here, let's go. Take a look.
Quest team leader here again. We've spotted a water-spitting dinosaur. Warning, proceed with caution. Out.
Uh-oh, we're going out now. That was quick. Ayan, guys. Oh, we're going out. Ayan, Explorer River Quest. Let's go.
You're at base camp.
Wow. Ayan.
Quest to explorers. Please be on the lookout for base camp. This is where we'll find some real action. Look out.
Real action daw, guys. What's in here? Malingaw, gino mga bata dito ba? Here, what's in here? Where's the action? Look out, look out. Ayan, ang ganda, guys. Lingaw. Lingaw. Alright, good news, guys. Lumabas na, inilabas na yung ating bagong chlorophyll with zeolite. Ayan, check my
Hello,
link.
explorers. This is
It's
Quest
in
team
there
leader
in
again.
our link
We've
now.
spotted a dinosaur that could be one of the biggest meat-eating dinosaurs to
Wait,
roam
guys.
the earth. Keep tracking.
Nado dinosaur. Ayan, do you know that, guys, yung mga dinosaur na yan ay made of Lego. Ayan, ang dami niyan, pero ano ang ganda?
Hello, explorers. This is Quest team leader
Explorers.
again. We've spotted a dinosaur that could be one of the biggest meat-eating dinosaurs to roam the earth. Keep tracking.
Keep tracking. Here.
Pterodactyl. Oh, what's that?
Ayan, guys, update dito po sa Ligbud. Meron na po tayong zeolite, yung chlorophyll with zeolite. So, check my link po, no?
That's a tail.
And sa mga mommies na naghahanap po ng online business, check my link, joingirly.com. Yan. Kaway-kaway, guys. Sino nanonood, please comment. Uy, nandito tayo sa cave. Oh, we're in the cave. Whoa.
Just found a secret dinosaur cave. Proceed with caution.
Oh, duaro din ang dinosaur. Nagpakita.
Just found a secret dinosaur cave.
Secret dinosaur cave. Ayan pala yung dinosaur nila dito, guys. Ayan, nagpapakita na siya, guys.
Spotted a dinosaur that could be one of the biggest meat-eating dinosaurs to roam the earth.
Hala, ang ganda ng dinosaur na iyan, oh. Ang cute. Cute ng bata, guys, oh. Well done, adventures! Malapit na po tayong matapos. Ayan. So, habang naghihintay, guys, ayan, guys, ha? Check my link, joingirly.com. See ya later! Enjoy the day! Happy Thursday, everyone!